What we have today here is a very tiny speaker from Edifier. This is the MP260 portable Bluetooth speaker. Portable, I think it means there's a battery inside, is it? Anyway, I would suppose a lot of people will also put these kind of speakers by their bedside because of its size. And yeah, let's just open it up and see how this thing actually sounds like. So the difference between this and the Edifier D12 is actually, how do you say this? The size, sound quality, and also where you want to put it. So I would suppose if you have a larger bedroom, the Edifier D12 would be much more suitable. And here we got some tips to tell you that if you want to use the alarm clock feature, then you will have to plug it into the power adapter to avoid it from failing to wake you up. So yeah, you don't want to set an alarm, then after that it won't wake you up, right? USB cable, unfortunately, is using micro USB. So inside here, I think all of the foam pieces are already chucked out. So yeah, we also got audio jack, both male, and that's it. So taking a look at this tiny little speaker here, again, what's the name? MP260. This whole thing is made out of wood. It's real nice quality one actually. And then we have a very large plastic speaker grill, some buttons at the top, which kind of reminds me of the D12's remote control. It's just slapped here. The basic features are here. So at the back here, we also have a few more ports. It can also technically act as a desktop speaker kind of situation. So DC in, aux input, micro SD card reader, and a USB type A port if you just want to listen music directly from a USB drive. And that's about it. This thing is really simple in terms of design, and I kind of like it. It's cute. Okay, so unfortunately battery is dead. So once we turn it on, this is what we see, the time itself. I will definitely need to set the time. How do I do it?
A few minutes later.
Okay, now it's safe 2:07 PM. So I think this is a very nice bedside speaker since it also tells the time, which is something that the D12 doesn't have. To pair it with my phone, I suppose I have to hit the Bluetooth button. So now I've paired it with my phone. Here's a quick sound test with this speaker here. And unfortunately, there's no music mode setting or whatsoever. So what you listen here is absolutely what you're gonna get. There's zero tuning that you can do to make it sound different. So there you go, that's the listening test for the Edifier MP260. I would have to say, although this is a very tiny and simple speaker, it's very suitable if you just want to leave it by your bedside. The alarm feature, it's there if you want to use it, but I think a lot of people will just set it on the phone. It's much more convenient anyway. But imagine this, if you link your phone's alarm and then you pair it with the Bluetooth of the speaker, then this thing can essentially be can be used as your speaker's alarm, but without using that megaphone. Exactly. It's much simpler that way. And yeah, for the price of 249 ringgit, I think this is a fantastic gift even for yourself to put it by your bedside, or if you just want to give it for someone else. Or maybe I can think of one more case, is that if you have a friend who's opening a store or something like that, give this as a housewarming or shop warming gift. That's also possible. So yeah, that's it. That's all we have to share with you about the Edifier MP260 Bluetooth bedside speaker. Yeah, I won't use the battery feature though. So yeah, there you have it.